thing. Do you know that the Anyoma people, their attire, now this whether Okwocha, that Abedane mega beg, Ambrose, the name mega beg. Because not be easier good anywhere for Anyoma. This na clothes that they Akwochi, thank you. Well, when they wear the same Igbo home, I see you with Igbo attire, I go call you an Igbo person. Why? Ambrose, oh, are you there?
I'm here, bro.
Why not they leave the men this is it Akwocha Watabi? The name again, please.
Yeah, Akwocha.
Why not they leave that attire? They wear Isiagu, even the Agu not mean lion, Agu na tiger. Now do whether now doom or whatever. Now be this thing lion for Igbo like, but it's okay. Why not they leave that one? Because if I see you like that, I call you an Igbo man, and that's the truth.
For the name.
Then why are they calling you an Igbo man? Why?
But for the name, and we are similar because a lot of things we do, that's the same thing they also do.
Yes,
so we
you
are
know the reason
similar.
why you are similar. Let me tell you why you are similar.
Yeah.
See, the reason why you are similar because why? In the time of the Benin Empire, the people that were working our farms, now the Igbo people. This is where the word Ofigbon, that Ofe-Igbon, they were known as Igbon. During them, no disrespect. This is where the word came from. This is where the name comes from. Ofe is soup. Igbon, we know what it means. As in a dog language, it's woman. Woman means soup. We don't have Ofe as soup. Ofe in Igbo is soup. Ofe is soup. Igbon, we know the meaning. Even the car use the same thing too. Igbon. Do you understand? So they came, the market days of the Benin people in general, as a country, we were a country of our own. They came to work with us. They know all these things. They understand the culture and everything. They stole from you, stole from me, stole from everybody and claim as their own. Now today, you people wait till they work with your farm. Because they tell you, say you be Igbo, and you declare, Kwenu, yeah, Kwenu, yeah, Kwenu, yeah. And you are very happy. They carry anything give you, you wear them. You have your personal, beautiful attire, you throw away. You say no. Now, Kwenu, yeah, Kwenu, yeah. They don't come for you now. Now you are complaining. This is the problem, my brother. Now you're the point for come. So if you go Abudu, even the Abudu, now Abudu is not even developed. The capital of Oriomo. Igbanke, they complain. Abudu not developed. We they verse. The road to Oriomo self, you never good. They will verse. The basket of Edo State, now Oriomo, road not there. Igbanke, they complain. Our brothers were yesterday, they were even crying, say, no road for there. So Igbanke is not the problem right now. We are all having the same problem. Nigeria has the same problem. The system is corrupt. Our problem is our politicians, not the king. Do you understand? So an Igbo man will tell you that your problem in Igbanke is about Benin. An Igbo man will tell you, I can say, your problem is about Benin. They have no respect. They have absolute no respect for authorities. Do you understand me? So this is where the problem is going for. So I understand. This is where we personally, we have proposed it already, that the Igbanke should have their own local government in Edo State. At least it will bring more development to them. But the truth is this, most of the Igbanke youth, you see them going to Agbo. They don't invest in Igbanke. Most of, even my friends, they said the same thing. My friend, I told him, I said, you yourself, I know say you get house for Agbo.
Ndị Igbo be anyị welonu malamu. Una afugo ye ekuni. Ndị biri aga akwegbu onwe we o. Aga akwegbu onwe we na nke. Maka na ọsọwa na ọsọnawa ndị Igbanke ndị ụmụnne anyị ga-abịa solu ụmụnne we nọlụ. Akwa ncha ọkwa bụ maka na wachọ iwepụ Igbanke n'ime biri. Ya bụ akwa ncha ọkwa. Unu ife ikwu. Ihe eme na Imaika. Kisi kpọọ akwa ọcha anyị gosi n'ezigbo iti volleyball ka ịbụ. N'inwe n'uche. Common isi akwa ọcha inwe n'ike ga-akpụ a. Ofe Igbo inwe n'ike ga-akpụ a. Unu emebile enyi Igbo. Ọkawasi akpụ Igbo kisi kpụ akịta. Neni o, ife mme ụmụnne anyị dị Igbanke eje Agbo na eje alụ na ọ bụ ifili kunu si emewe. Unu adị emewe ọfụma. Ọ dị ewuhe enyi na ndị Agbo ofufe fukawa bụ ndị Ika ka nwancha bụ. So ọ bụ n'ife jonjo ọ bụ no ekewu egbunu ya ewu egbunu ụzọ unu alụ n'aliwa onwe n'ife unu meliwe unu afụzi akịta na akwazi na wachọ ije gebulu munewe unu asị mazi anu unu chọ inyewe their own local government. They no longer need it. They don't need the local government anymore. They don't want to stay with you guys. They want to stay on their own. It's not by force. They know their roots and they accept their roots. They don't have identity crisis. Puno waka wegbe hu azube wesi jene. Ndi Igbo benyi. Biko, tu salinu mozie.